Hello and welcome to the Text-to-Car Road Maintenance Fleet Management Product Overview. This video is going to show you a few of the RMFM specific features. So if you've been looking through the site or looking through our brochures and wondering if this product is right for your RM, well first, yes it is. And second, you've came to the right place. The first feature I'm going to show you is the Live Group map. And this map comes with all of our products, but I still want to show it to you because it is very important. So if we go ahead and click on this one, you'll see that this map brings up a location of all of the units that are on this RM. You'll see that some are green, this is showing that the ignition is on, some are red, showing that the ignition is off, and others are black. These are things that we call system events, like blade up and blade down. Now one of the neat features about this is you can right click at any spot and click Find Closest. This will list the closest units to that spot. This is a great feature for a foreman that needs to find out the nearest grader to a place that he needs to send people. That way he doesn't have to call everyone and find out where they are. He can just come on here and see who's closest. You can always close the search. And we'll go back to Command Center. From here, we can select any one of our units. So we'll select this grader. You'll see that our page changes and that all of these icons are specific only to this grader. You'll notice the ignition clock shows that this grader hasn't been turned on yet today. And the feature I want to show you is the location history map. So when we click on this, because this grader hasn't turned on, we're not seeing anything here. But that's okay because we keep all of your data indefinitely. So if we click on the date button, we can choose any date from when the device was installed. So we'll just select a random date. And here you see a map with every event that was created on that date. You can click Start to see the very first event, which in this case, the vehicle is turned on at 8:11 a.m. And then you can click Next and go through every event that this vehicle took. Anytime you want to get rid of this box, you just click on it. And you'll notice here that you see red lines and blue lines. And that's specific to the RMFM package. And the red line is showing when the blade is up, and blue is showing when the blade is down, or work being performed. To see this in more detail, I'll take you to our next feature, which is the road maintenance map. To get to the road maintenance map, we make sure we have all selected. And it's right down here. So on the road maintenance map, you can select any date range you want. So you can build this for a week, a month, or even just a single day. So we'll just grab a random date to start and we'll use today's date to end. We'll just do the graders for the purpose of this video and click Load Map. This map is only going to show the work that's been performed. So remember the red line, blue line? This is only showing the blue lines. So this is showing all the kilometers of road that have been graded in this RM. If we come back up to the top, we can see how long the blade was down for each unit, and we can see how many kilometers of road they graded. If you only want to see one grader on this map instead of all of them, you can simply deselect the ones you don't want to see. Now you can see just the work that this grader performed. We do have a print feature down here, so you can print and store these maps. As well as by clicking on the grader, you'll see a full list of each route. A route is determined by when the blade goes down until when the blade comes up. So you can see the first route in this date range. He had the blade down for 39 minutes and he graded 12 kilometers of road. If you go ahead and click on that, it will actually highlight that route. So you can see exactly where it is. And again, just like in the location history map, if you want to get rid of this, you can just click on it. Another feature I'd like to show you, if we go back to our command center and go into our reports section. Text-to-Car has a whole host of custom reports that you can build, but the one that a lot of the RMs have been liking is the timesheet report. So if we go down here and select that report, Again, we can select any date range. So I'll just select a full working week. And I'll select, again, just the group of graders. And create report. This report is going to show for each unit the days they were started, when they were started, when they were shut off, and how long they were on. So this one looked like it just got turned on really quickly on one date. But if we go down here to grader 2, we can see that on this date it was on for 12 minutes, on this date it was on for 3 hours. And again, this is just a really great way to confirm handwritten timesheets. So, if you would like more detail on this, feel free to search through the tutorial videos or give us a call. Thank you for watching.